This presentation on 2020 guidelines and updates for ICD-10-CM was created by students at Cuyahoga Community College as part of a group project. This section will cover the chapter-specific guidelines for chapters 16 and 17. Chapter 16, Certain Conditions Originating in the Perinatal Period. These codes begin with P00 through P96. They are only used on newborn records. The perinatal period is from birth through the 28th day following birth. And again, codes from this chapter are only used on newborn records, never on the maternal record, just as the codes from chapter 15 are only used on the mother's record and never on the newborn. Chapter 16 codes may be used throughout the life of the patient if the condition that is present while they are newborn is still present when they are older. Observation and evaluation of newborns for suspected conditions not found. Coding birth on newborn record, you assign the code from category Z38. If a newborn is transferred to another institution, only the first institution codes the Z38, not the institution to which the newborn is transferred to. Z05 codes indicate observation and evaluation of newborns for suspected conditions ruled out. If a condition is identified, then use the code for the condition and not Z05. Prematurity and fetal growth retardation. A code for prematurity should not be assigned unless it is documented. Code P05, disorders of newborn related to slow fetal growth and fetal malnutrition, and P07, disorders of newborn related to short gestation and low birth weight not elsewhere classified, should be based on the recorded birth weight and estimated gestational age. When both the birth weight and the gestational age are available, two codes from P07 are assigned. First, code the birth weight, then code the gestational age. Chapter 17, Congenital Malformations, Deformations, and Chromosomal Abnormalities. Codes from this chapter all begin with the letter Q. Codes from this chapter may be assigned as a principal or as a secondary diagnosis, and they may be used throughout the lifetime of the patient. If the congenital malformation or deformation has been corrected, then a code for personal history of the malformation or deformity is used. Thank you for listening. Please see the links in the description section for links to our other presentations.